We're waiting for car now, yeah.
Oh,
okay.
so we are lucky.
Yeah.
So where are you from?
We are from Italy.
England.
England.
Yeah.
From Denmark.
I'm from Brazil.
From
UK, yeah.
I'm from Denmark.
Čula sam da je u Kini nedavno vidljiv veliki stranih turista. Kina je zabilježila značajan porast dolazaka stranih turista u prvoj polovici 2024. godine s ukupno 14,64 milijuna stranih posjeta, što je porast od 152,7% u odnosu na prethodnu godinu. Što točno privlači njihovu pažnju?
I'm here as a tourist to experience your country, your beautiful country. Yes.
As I'm doing a summer studies in political science and law.
We're on the transit visa. We move on to Korea next.
We were in Shanghai first, and then went to Guilin, and now we're here. So 9 days.
I think the Great Wall of China's one of the best things you can do. I think it's so good. Like obviously the expectations are high when you first get there, but you know, it's something that I have to recommend.
I feel like everyone needs to see it as well because it's one of like the 7 wonders of the world. So like you kind of have to see it. It's like a bucket list thing.
Ovaj porast dolazaka turista može se pripisati proširenju kineskog bezviznog režima i poboljšanju uvjeta putovanja za međunarodne posjetitelje. Od kraja prošle godine Kina kontinuirano uvodi jednostrani bezvizni režim za mnoge zemlje i sklapa sporazume o uzajamnom ukidanju viza s mnogim zemljama. Kina je uvela mjere za olakšavanje ulaska stranih državljana i optimizirala usluge digitalnog plaćanja. Strani korisnici sada mogu povezati međunarodne kreditne kartice kao što su Visa i Mastercard s platformama poput Alipaya i WeChatPaya. Također, povećan je broj platnih objekata i uputa na turističkim atrakcijama, trgovinama, stanicama metroa i hotelima.
It's really like easier to leave when you have everything on your phone. Some places don't accept cash, so it makes things easier. Alipay is really useful.
So for tourists who never been to China, do you have any advice for them?
Advice, it's really hot. It's more hot than expected. Even I'm from a little country. The food is also delicious and it's also not that hard to learn how to eat with chopsticks. And the food is really spicy.
The mistake that I've made, I should have planned some of the things in advance, get tourist guides, tickets, you know, for entrances to temples and all. So that's my advice. But otherwise, also, you know, get some of the access to the local applications like Alipay and stuff, you know.
Everybody to visit one time China because it's a really nice. Also the culture I like a lot. Yeah. Also the food. I'm from Italy. Food is very nice, but also China is a different way, but it's also very, very nice. Yeah.
So like for tourists who never been to China, do you have any recommendation for them?
I think come and see things, see it yourself, you know. Don't read things that you see on the internet. Just come and experience the culture and get involved as much as possible.
Istraživanje nove zemlje potpuno je avantura. Jako će biti izazova s kulturom i jezikom. Spremni smo s otvorenim umom i doživjeti u tom iskustvu, pa tako uživajte u nezaboravnom putovanju.
Hello, bye bye. 再见，再见。